Alright, well done. Let's move on to Miss Kay Masaliones. Miss Kay Masaliones.
Maya, ito naman yun.
Happy birthday. Hindi ko na natagalan.
Tapusin ko na.
I hope it reminds you how special you are. Even though we live far from each other, you always been one of the most important people in my life. Being best friends since birth is such a rare blessing to me. And I'm so grateful to God for giving me someone like you. I know you have so many friends, but I hope you never forget that I will always be here for you. No matter what, distance doesn't change that. My prayer and wish for you is to live the life you always dreamed of, full of God's guidance, love, and happiness. I hope you
Kasi ang maliit pa sila dati.
your heart on never losing
Padalagan na sila eh.
the person He created you to be. Always remember that you deserve the best in life, and with God by your side, I know you can face anything that comes your way. And I'll always be here cheering for you no matter how far apart we are. I love you.
Alright, there you go. Such a sweet message as well. May you blow the candle, please. Stay sweet as you are. Maraming salamat, Miss Kay Masaliones. Up next is Miss Miles Cruzes.
Gracia,
Miles Cruzes.
nagsalita siya. Naiyak ako.
Pag-ikot, hindi na ito rekla.
Bakit iyak nang iyak ka? Naiyak siya.
May your life shine I pray your grace at the right May you stay away from harm, negativity, and hurtful people. And may your life overflow with love and thank you for the friendship and memorable results. Thank you for the warm hearts and warm heart on every occasion. I'm so grateful to know you. Just always remember, always here for you. If you need us, wishing you and the students to be proud of yourself and critical
Alright, Tears of Joy. Maraming salamat po, Miles Cruzes. Ashi, you can blow the candle. Alright. Up next is none other than Ashley Cavero.